Ever wonder why your knuckles make that loud crack, like you just snapped a tiny firecracker in your hand? Here's the wild part. It's not your bones, and it's not even air. When you stretch your fingers, you pull the joint apart just enough to drop the pressure inside. Your joint fluid panics and creates a tiny bubble that collapses so fast it makes a microcavitation explosion. Yeah, your fingers are literally detonating microscopic water bombs. And after one pop, that joint is empty. It can explode again for about 20 minutes. Your knuckles actually have a built-in cooldown. Wait, what?